好，第14題，咁呢個咧係一條conservation of momentum 嘅問題啦。咁咧佢就話如果有個 mass 咧0.1嚇，咁 velocity 咧原本係5 meter/second 嘅，咁跟住咧佢撞咗一個 stationary 嘅 disk of 原本嘅 mass 咧就係0.2 kg on 一個 smooth table。咁 after collision 之後咧個0.1 kg 嘅 disk 咧 move with speed 係3 meter/second 喺50度嘅 to the x direction。咁 find the component of the velocity of 嗰個0.2嘅 disk 喺個 y direction 啊 ，y direction。咁喺呢個情況即係vertical 嘅 direction 啦。after collision 係幾多？咁其實咧做呢個問題咧，我哋用緊conservation of momentum， 咁亦都係將成件事嗰個vertical 同 horizontal 嗰個 velocity 係分開去 consider 佢嘅。咁 by conservation of momentum 咧。嗱，其實佢 after collision 咧同 before collision 嗰個 momentum 係一樣嘅。咁 before collision 嘅話咧，喺 y direction 咧嗰個 momentum 係0嘅。咁 after collision 之後咧，所以咧都應該係0嘅。OK， 咁好啦。咁after collision 如果都係0嘅話咧，簡單嚟講咧，即係呢個0.1 kg 嘅 disk 咧，同埋原本 stationary 嗰個0.2 kg 嘅 disk 咧，佢哋係可以 balance 晒嘅。咁vy 乘翻個 mass 啦，嗱，因為momentum 係 mass 乘翻 velocity 啦，嚇，咁0.2乘翻 vy 啦，其實就會等於翻0.1乘翻3。但係記住喎，因為呢個咧係along 呢個佢而家自己個 direction 係3啫喎。咁如果我哋要化翻 vy 個 direction 咧，其實佢會乘翻3之後，我哋要補多個 sin 50度嚇，因為我哋呢度咧淨係攞佢呢支 component 出嚟嚇。咁咧，但係咧，如果我哋係清晰嘅，呢個係sin 50度嘅同時咧，我都希望大家留意喎，呢個咧係 vy 嚟嘅。就唔好去嘗試計個 angle 係幾多，跟住夾翻所以等於 v 跟住 sin theta 係唔需要，因為佢而家咧就講到明，我淨係要知道佢喺y direction 個 velocity 啫嘛嚇，咁所以0.2乘 vy 等於0.1乘3乘sin 50度啦。咁撳翻計數機咧，咁答案咧就會係 A 啦。